infections. Installation of the lungs. Both of these can lead to death. Tell your doctor right away if you have new or worsening symptoms, including trouble breathing, shortness of breath, cough, or chest pain. Before taking Ibrance, tell your doctor if you have fever, chills, or other signs of infection, liver or kidney problems, are or plan to become pregnant, or are breastfeeding. Common side effects include low red blood cell and low platelet counts, infections, tiredness, nausea, sore mouth, abnormalities in liver blood tests, diarrhea, hair thinning or loss, vomiting, rash, and loss of appetite.
Lowe's is partnering with HDTV for the second season of Build It Forward, giving back to the communities they serve. Inspired by Lowe's Hometowns program, hosts Tania Nayaka and Shane Duffy are traveling to surprise community heroes with life-changing renovations. Watch Build It Forward all new Saturdays at 6, 5 Central.
When you can find everything you need at prices you can afford, that's totally Target. It's that feeling when quality, good, and gather ingredients on the barbecue brings family around the table. Or when favorite day after practice snacks let you celebrate the whole team for less. It's when saving more on Up and Up sunscreen means more fun in the sun. And when Target Circle Rewards program gives you more perks on what you buy most and is always free to join, that's totally Target.
Of course I use Mr. Clean Magic Eraser to clean tough messes off my stovetop and bathtub. But then I discovered I could also use it to easily clean my patio furniture and even my shoes. I'm hooked!
And when wipes won't cut it, I use Magic Eraser Sheets. They're thin and flexible erasers, perfect for everyday messes, like gunk on my counters and sinks. They really are.
Oh, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ogdensburg, or 9 miles east of Newton, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Hopatcong, Brewton, Wharton, Rockaway, Mount Arlington, Franklin, Mountain Lakes, Stanhope, Whitcomb, Ogdensburg, Victory Gardens, Lake Mohawk, Sockasuna Campbell, Lake Telemark, Green Pond, Red Lake, and White Meadow Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 27 and 42. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 43 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris and Sussex.
Getting ready to do a fan video, another one. I decided I'm going to do this Murray Place. Hang on, let me turn this down. I decided I'm going to do the Murray Place instead. And the last show is probably going to be last. Well, of course it's going to be last.